Polymesh. The token there is POLYX. What these guys do is enable tokenization of real-world assets. So if you think about private equity, or you think about rare artwork, or you think about real estate in the form of say you had a large commercial real estate building, these guys enable basically the sort of fractionalization and ownership and tracking of that ownership across these real world assets. So kind of an interesting application of digital asset blockchain technology.
Can you just give me like a simple example of a piece of real estate or whatever that's been tokenized, and how I invest in that?
These different businesses that run ads. One of them is a company called Masterworks, and it's basically this fractional artwork ownership platform, where they kind of pitch the long-term returns of owning basically the same kind of artwork that Steve Cohen would own directly. So the premise is, okay, you own a Banksy, or pick your artist. Maybe that piece of art is worth, let's say, $10 million, and you want to basically carve the ownership of that up into fractionalized shares. Maybe each share is worth, I don't know, $10 or $100 of that $10 million asset. So then the question becomes, okay, well, how do you do that? So what Polymesh enables you to do is basically create a tokenized or blockchain representation of that underlying asset. The individual ownership stakes are then tracked through the token, through POLYX, and you can essentially have your ownership stake referenced on the blockchain. If you want to sell it, you can sell it. The transfer then, of course, is recorded on the blockchain, and so forth. If you want to buy it, sell it. So that's an example. Another example would be, say you had a high-rise building, a skyscraper, and you wanted to basically carve that building up into fractionalized ownership, maybe into 100 units or 1,000 units, and somebody wanted to buy a stake in that building. Obviously, it's a heavy lift to buy the entire building, but maybe you want to put $500,000 or maybe just $50,000 or something along those lines into a particular building. Again, this Polymesh framework enables that to be done very easily.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.